What's going on, guys? This is Roland Blase. Today we have an exciting lesson for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's get started.
Something that's good for me.
Okay, now I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and leave a comment if you like what's going on, if you have any suggestions. Listen, support this channel, guys. Like and subscribe. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I want to show you guys something really juicy, something really spicy, something really good. This is what I'm about to show you. Guys, you've heard of the 5-6. If you've been watching my lessons and I'm teaching about chord progressions and different things, and I'm going to slow it down if you're new to Kompa, but the 5-6 is the 5th chord and the 6th chord of your scale. That's what I mean by 5-6. So I'm going to play a song. We're going to play a popular song, and I'm going to show you a technique using just the passing chord on how to do a beautiful solo in the 5-6 chord progression. So let's get started, guys. And I'm gonna show you an example right now. Now, look guys, we're in the key of A. Now, in the key of A, but we're doing this. We're starting on the G minor. G flat minor, sorry guys. So what's our chord progression? G flat minor, B minor, E major, B minor again. So B minor is your passing chord. G flat minor, B minor, E major, B minor. So basically, the B minor repeats, so that's your passing chord. So what did I do? I took my passing chord, the middle chord, B minor, and I turned it into a 7, a B minor 7. And that's all I'm doing to make my solo sound really fancy, is turning my passing chord into a minor 7, adding that 7th note. So that's why you heard the first solo I did this. And then I land on the E major. And then I land on the G flat minor. So turning your passing chord into a major 7 is a good way to keep your solo sounding sweet, guys. So I hope you guys caught what I was doing. We're gonna play the beat one more time so you guys can see what I'm doing. So watch this, guys. See? A B minor 7. So I'm going to use the solo sound. Watch this, guys. Understand this concept, especially if you're a beginner. Guys, this is my chord progression again, guys. We're doing the G minor, G flat minor, sorry, B minor, E minor. But on the B minor, I add the 7th note. And I just move fast up and down that. So that's all I'm doing. So I hope you guys understand. Go ahead and turn your passing chord into 5-6. Because E is your 5 and G flat is your 6 in that A scale. So go ahead and turn your passing chord into a major 7 and make your solo sound sweet. And remember, you're counting the time before you come in. So it's 1, 2, blam. So right after the 2, you stick that B minor 7. Now I hope you guys implement these techniques because they're really good, especially when you're playing live. Remember, go to kompakeyboardschool.com where you can get your sounds, lessons, and tutorials. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.